After listening to this meditation, they will always choose you. This meditation will empower you with the unshakable belief that you are always chosen by anyone you desire. This meditation will align your thoughts with your higher self and manifest a reality where you are consistently the first and only choice in every aspect of their life. Prepare to attract their love effortlessly. To use this meditation, listen daily, morning, evening, or while you're asleep to align your energy with devotion and love. Visualize their actions. Picture them expressing their feelings and showing their devotion. Feel the love. Embrace the joy and confidence of being their ultimate desire. Now let's begin. They always choose me. I am the most desirable, magnetic, and irresistible person they have ever known. They recognize my unique value. They are drawn to me effortlessly. I am their first choice. They seek connection and fulfillment with me. They are naturally drawn to my aura. I am their priority. They always want to be around me. They want to invest in me. They desire me. They are always thinking about me. They always want to spend time with me. I am their perfect match. I am who they have always dreamed of. They adore me. I am the one they choose to build a future with. They cannot imagine their life without me. They shower me with affection and appreciation. They celebrate me. They value me. They love my energy. They love my presence. They cling to me. They give me anything I want. They know I am one of a kind. They are begging to be with me, completely captivated, overwhelmed by my feelings, and unable to imagine their life without me. I am all they think about, all they dream of, and all they want. They can't help themselves. My energy is magnetic. My presence is irresistible, and my love is unmatched. They are doing everything in their power to show me how much they need me in their life. They know I'm the one, the person who completes them, and they will do whatever it takes to prove it. I am their deepest desire, their greatest dream, and their ultimate goal. They are laying it all on the line, begging for my love, and showing me just how much they are willing to fight for us. They are consumed by the thought of me. No one compares, and nothing else matters. I am their priority, their focus, and their entire world. They are begging to be with me because they know my worth, my value, and the unmatched connection we share. Their devotion is clear, their love is undeniable, and their actions speak louder than words. They are begging to be with me because I am unforgettable, irreplaceable, and the best thing that has ever happened to them. This is my reality, and it feels amazing. It is already done. Type, they are begging to be with me to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.